Hello students, today we will learn new topic, that is the folk dances of India. Some information about the folk dances. Okay, in which states they are performed. For example, Garba. Where does the Garba played? In Gujarat. So we'll some information about the folk dance. Dance is a symbol of communication which brings out the innermost feelings. It depicts the cultural aspects of a civilization. India is having a treasure of a variety of folk dances. The organic of Indian folk dances forms can be traced to different parts of the country. Each form of a dance represents the cultural and the arts of a particular region or a group of people. Most of the Indian dances describe and explain in the Indian art of living. Here are some states are there and which they are dances famous for. We will see some information about that. Here you will see Bhangra. Bhangra is famous in Punjab. Bhangra is a dance and that is a famous in Punjab. Bhangra, a folk dance form, is a performed with a zest, enthusiasm and energy in Punjab. In this, men perform Bhangra while the ladies perform their own elegant dance called the Gidda. Bhangra dance is also an important part in the harvesting festival Baisakhi. Here you can see a picture of Dandiya. So we all know Dandiya is played in Gujarat, but nowadays we all also play during the Navratri. So Dandiya is the famous folk dance of Gujarat. It is the featured dance of Navratri evenings in Gujarat. The streaks of the dance represent the sword of the Durga. The main difference between Garba and Dandiya is that Garba is performed before Arti while Dandiya is performed after it. So that is the information about the Dandiya. So that is a folk dance of Gujarat. Here you can see Bihu dance. So that Bihu dance is famous in Assam. The Bihu dance is a folk dance from the Indian state of Assam. Related to the festival of Bihu, the joyous dance is performed by both young men and women and is characterized by bricks dance, steps, rapid hand movement. This dance form is especially played in the harvesting season. So that is a information about the Bihu dance that is a famous in Assam. So now there is a one quiz related to a folk dance and you will be solving that. After that you will go to the GK's textbook and you will solve the GK's question answer of folk dance of India.